This vehicle is absolutely striking. This Ford F-150 gets 13 miles per gallon in the city and gets 17 miles per gallon on the highway. It comes equipped with options like a Lariat Series order code, 26-spoke machined aluminum wheels, a two-tone paint, a 3.73 axle ratio with limited slip differential, a 4-speed automatic transmission with auto indicator, a 5.4L 24-valve FEFF V8 engine, an audiophile sound system feature. An audiophile sound system features CDX6 order code, an integrated Sirius satellite radio and leather-trimmed captain's chairs. Call and speak with one of our sales consultants now to set up an appointment.